Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link, and there you go. Winter has returned, especially northwest part of the state. We're looking at live pictures. This is North Scituate as of 3:30 this afternoon. That's the intersection of Route 101 and 102. The initial accumulation has been on non-paved surfaces, but we're already starting to see some slushy accumulations on the edges of the road. Bottom line, some slick travel now through the early evening. And clearly the most snow, not a huge amount, but the most snow is going to be in the northwest part of the state, where we're generally expecting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow. In fact, I'll show you that map in just a second. In the meantime, well, I could see the skyline in Providence a little while ago, but we are shrouded in fog and snow. Normally you would see you could see, but give you an idea that the precipitation, the intensity is picking up. So we started with cold rain, and now we've gone over to a wet and at times heavy snow. The areas in blue, which represents snow, some of the darker strips of blue, some moderate snow. Fortunately, this is going to be moving out early this evening, and we're thinking the shutoff time of the precipitation is going to be between about 8 and 9 o'clock this evening. Temperatures right now are near the freezing mark, so that's why you're seeing the snow sticking in the northwest part of the state. It's a few degrees milder along the south shore. There'll be less snow south and east of Providence, and more snow right up in here, and we'll show you that accumulation in just a second. So snow continues this evening. It does shut off between 8 and 9 o'clock in the evening. We'll see clear skies as early as, say, 10, 11 o'clock tonight. They'll watch for slick spots overnight as temperatures fall below freezing. Tuesday is a decent day. Another round of precipitation on Wednesday. This one looks like starting as snow, but then changing over to a mix, and then eventually some rain. So a snow to change to rain start, sort of the reverse of what happened today, and then drier weather for later in the week. All right, here's the satellite and radar composite one more time, and here's the wider view. And there is drier air off to our west. This will be coming in this later on this evening. So this is all moving pretty much from west to east. So, and you can see the cooler temperatures settling in, the reason why we've had the change to snow. So when we take this into the future, you can see the snow moving away. This is midnight. Skies are clear. We're looking good for tomorrow morning with some sunshine, dry, windy. It's a very windy day, but dry. Intervals of clouds and sunshine in the afternoon, then clear, dry weather anticipated for Tuesday night. Here's a more detailed look, and you can see what's left of the snow is pulling away by around 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. Skies clear overnight. Here we are 8 o'clock in the morning with some sunshine. Watch for some slick spots. Windy but dry with a blend of clouds and sun in the afternoon. Upper 30s to low 40s. 4 o'clock in the about 4:30 in the evening, looking okay, and then clear skies Tuesday night. Temperatures near the freezing mark. So generally looking at 1 to 3 north and west of Providence. That includes far western Kent County towards the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. South and east of the city, a coating to an inch. But regardless of amounts, it'll be slushy and wet everywhere with poor visibility, and really just not a great evening commute in terms of the weather. So take it slow. Forecast for this evening, by 9, 10 o'clock, it's pretty much drying out with some clearing by 11 o'clock. And your Tuesday looks decent. Some sunshine in the morning, 29 degrees early. Watch for some icy spots. It'll get above freezing by late morning. And then during the afternoon, upper 30s to low 40s. Very windy with a blend of clouds and sunshine. Details on this weather are coming up on 12 News very shortly, starting at 4 o'clock.